Hey guys, DM Cubing, and today I have a request video. Got this comment a few hours ago. Can you try making a repelling magnetic cube? It would be interesting to see if they reduce the turning friction. And since I was planning on experimenting with my three my three magnetic GTS2 cubes anyway, here are the results. Hey guys, could you tell by the picture how this cube may have turned out? I'll let you guess. Anyway, it's kind of an interesting idea. What you're doing is, instead of having the magnets attract within the cube, you set it up so that they repel from each other. And I've done three. Now look at this. See this, putting this together? I recently have magnetized three GTS2 cubes, and two of them I've matched the polarity on, but on my N38 and N42 cubes, I reversed the polarity. Look at this. So I figured, well, let's just take the N38 and the N42 apart and mix them up, you know. Use the edge pieces on one and the corner pieces of the other. Look at this. Isn't this crazy? And here are the results. The cube just doesn't want to stay together. It just pushes out. It just will not line up as a cube shape at all. And it's interesting. And this is the final result. Oh man, that's terrible. You see how the edges, every piece just pushes out on the other one. You'd be better off using a 1980 Rubik's brand cube instead of something like this. But it was fun experimenting with. The idea of repulsion to kind of free the cube up, but what it does is it pushes so much that it actually causes the cube to lock up and catch extremely bad. I mean, extremely bad. But yeah, I thought that this would be kind of fun to experiment with, since I had these three cubes kind of ready to go. This image here, you see the magnetic imprint of the reverse polarity cube. This is the actual magnetic field of this cube. Interesting, isn't it? And this is what a cube should look like. This is the N42 cube. Notice how it has kind of a cross shape. The light spots and the dark spots are the opposing poles from each other. See the little dark spots in the N42 cube here? It's where the magnets are. And then the lighter spots is another magnetic pole. So that's the way it would look if everything was attracted to each other. So I thought this would make kind of a fun experiment. You know, you don't really know until you try it out. And I tried it out, and no, you don't want to do this. It feels terrible. The whole cube is catchy. It's slow. It drags. It will not, cannot, and won't stay in a cube-like state. So, but it was a fun experiment. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you the next time. Happy cubing. Bye.